Good evening, folks. My name is Cory King. I'm a mortgage agent in Canada for Power Mortgages, your mortgage architects. This is my second video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the first. If you have any questions after the video, please email me at cory@powermortgages.ca. That's CORY at powermortgages.ca. Now today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the differences between pre-qualifying, rate holds, and pre-approvals. Now, pre-qualifying is just a numbers game. It involves absolutely no credit check, no verification of documents. So essentially, you come into my office, you give me a phone call, you tell me exactly how much money you make, you tell me exactly how much money you owe in terms of debts, credit cards, loans, so on and so forth, and I may ask a few additional questions, and I use those numbers to assess how much of a house you can afford or how much of a house a lender would be willing to lend you. Okay, so please keep in mind that pre-qualifying is not being pre-approved. Sometimes people they get confused in the two. However, doesn't mean you cannot put an offer on a house. You could put an offer on a particular house if you have something in mind at any given point in time. Just always make sure that there's always a condition to finance on the offer to purchase, okay? And if you have a good realtor, your realtor should be able to assist you with that and cover your bum. Anyways, moving on to rate holds. What's a rate hold? A rate hold is exactly what it sounds like. It involves no verification of documents. Once again, it's actually just submitting an application for a rate hold up to 120 days. Now, there are in Canada extended rate holds on new construction. Some lenders offer up to 6 months, and some lenders offer up to 12 months. Okay, please bear in mind that just because you have a rate hold up to 120 days does not mean that you've been pre-approved for 120 days. Okay. Now moving on to pre-approvals. Pre-approval essentially is what you want if you don't know the property that you're going to be purchasing, but you want to know that you're going to be approved for in terms of verification of documents and so on and so forth, like based on your documents, based on your credit check. So a full-fledged pre-approval is what you're looking for. So a lender should always request a credit check, and they should always request verification of documents. If they're not, be very wary. It's probably not a pre-approval. Okay, not every lender offers pre-approvals, unfortunately, and the reason being is because at one point in time, every lender offered them, and people were actually using the pre-approvals as a strategy or a tactic to shop for rates. So they go to one lender, get pre-approved for a particular rate, and then they would just cancel that and then go to the next lender, and then the next lender would offer them the better rate. So anyways, that being said, pre-approval is what you want. You will actually get a mortgage commitment from the lender, okay, and that is what you want, just so you're put at ease when purchasing a house, and so you can waive any finance conditions once you've been pre-approved. Okay, once again, if you have any questions, this is the end of my video. Please do email me at cory@powermortgages.ca. That's CORY@powermortgages.ca. Hopefully I hear from you soon. Bye for now.